Let's unbox this compact and powerful mini smart projector. Right out of the box, the packaging already feels premium and sleek. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started. First, the remote control, minimal and easy to use. Next, the user manual, a quick guide to all functions. And of course, the power cable. Plug and play simplicity. Here's the projector itself. Lightweight, stylish, and perfectly sized for any room or travel bag. Taking a closer look, the projector has a modern design and smooth 360-degree finish. On the back, you'll find ports for HDMI, USB, and AUX, ideal for connecting to laptops, flash drives, or speakers. We'll plug in the power and get it ready for action. Here's a quick daytime test. Now, watch this. Snap. Switch to night mode. The brightness and clarity improve dramatically, thanks to 150 ANSI lumens and HD resolution. Perfect for movies, videos, or gaming in low-light settings. Navigating the menu is simple with the remote. This projector supports wireless mirroring via Miracast. I connected my Windows laptop, and as you can see, YouTube runs smoothly with full control. It's fast, responsive, and surprisingly sharp for such a small device. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest tech content. Thanks for watching.